Hello there and welcome to another fly tying session with your host Scott. In this session we're going to be tying a fly known as the Goldhead Bug, and it's found in a publication that I've recently purchased by Peter Gathercole. It's known as the Fly Tying Bible. It's on page 112 and it's a very simple pattern. It's a very suggestive pattern. It's designed to imitate lots of different aquatic insects, and it's a great all-round fly. You could probably use it on still waters and rivers, and I have caught fish with similar patterns, and they do work very well. So we're going to get started with it. In the vise we've got a Camazon B405 in size 12. We're going to be using 3.3mm brass or gold beads for the weight. For the short tag or tail, we're using some Flash Bright by Lure Flash. You might not be able to get that anymore. There's lots of different materials out there you can use though, anything that's pearlescent basically. For the body, we're going to be using some hare's fur. Excuse me, this is rabbit's fur. For the rib, we're going to be using some gold tinsel. This is a holographic one by Madeira. The original pattern calls for a basic oval tinsel. I like to have a bit more flash in my patterns. And for the thorax, we're going to be using some orange rabbit fur. This is some I've dyed myself, hot orange. And for the thread, I'm going to try and match the thorax so it blends it a bit better. We're going to be using fire orange in 8/0. And I think that's everything. Now the fly can be varied. There's a lot of opportunity for variation with this pattern. You can change the thorax colour, the body colour, the rib colour, the bead colour, but essentially it's a grub-like imitation that gets down to the depths very quickly, and that's what you're going for. So we've just bedded the hook with a little bit of thread, and then we're going to grab a bunch of this Flash Bright and tie it in. It's a bit rough at the moment, but we'll trim it to the right size. A pinch turn just to lock it in. Then we're going to trim it short, probably about that long. And then trim the rest of the excess out as well. And then we're going to tie in some tinsel. And then tidy up. Now we're going to get our natural rabbit fur, and we're going to try and use the under fur as much as possible. And dub that on. You want to try and create a tapered body. And leave a bit of room for your thorax. Then you're going to wind your rib. You might not get many turns in with the rib. trim away. And you're going to get your orange rabbit fur and dub some of that in. Slightly wind beyond the bead slightly. Just lock the bead in. I'm going to add a bit more dubbing as well. And then whip finish. Now with this particular one, I think we're going to have to put the varnish on the thread first. And there we are. That's the Goldhead Bug. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye for now.